Welcome to Cyber Theo. Today, let's explore the three greatest country songs of all time. He Stopped Loving Her Today, by George Jones. Released in 1980, this classic song is often hailed as one of the best in country music history. Its emotional depth and storytelling resonate deeply with listeners. Jolene, by Dolly Parton. Released in 1973, Jolene showcases Dolly Parton's exceptional vocal range and songwriting talent. The song's narrative of love and jealousy has made it an enduring classic. I Walk the Line, by Johnny Cash. Released in 1956, this song solidified Johnny Cash's status as a country music legend. The song's rhythmic sound and loyal sentiment make it a timeless hit. And there you have it, the three greatest country songs of all time. What are your favorites? Check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more music insights and tutorials. Thanks for watching Cyber Theo.